Hi y'all, this is Gina. Welcome to my channel. Sorry about that little bump. This is the third time I'm trying to record this video. I don't know what's going on. And I just can't seem to upload it. And I can't upload from my other camera because it doesn't support the JPJ or whatever. I don't know. But anyways, I just wanted to come on and try to show you all my little paper clips that I've been doing. I gotta put beads on this one. On this one. And this one. And this one. I got beads on these. I kind of like do the clips. And then I will do the bead part. You know. On these, I like to swirl these around so the bead doesn't fall off the paper clip. So that's why I swirl them. The beads don't fall off. Aren't these cute? I try to do them in the same color as I go, so I don't have to change the thread when I'm stitching them on there. You know, so that's why you're just seeing these certain colors, because I haven't gotten to the blues or the pinks and stuff like that. So yeah. So yeah, I've been just trying to get these in and get this off my table and package these up for ready for Happy Mail or whatever. And all I'm basically doing is just kind of matching them up to all these that I had, what do you want to call it? All my scraps, all of them, basically. Just trying to match them up to something. And, yeah. See, I want to get done with these oranges and these browns. Because I do have some oranges and browns. And just get them done. Waiting for this hurricane, y'all. Had some friends call me. They're having to evacuate. They're out by Beaumont, Texas. It's been cloudy all morning, so I said, "Where are you going?" She says, "We're going to Mineola." I go, "What?" She goes, "We got a motel out there at the Best Western." I go, "That's the only best one that they got here in Mineola. That's it." She goes, "Yeah, we were lucky to get a motel." I went, "Oh my God. Dang." And I have this one. I guess it really is not going to do much justice to do this. Yeah. That's not going to work. No. It cracked. Well, let's just put this one on. Change up that because I'm going to put it with this orange one, so. And this one has some fun colors in it. I had 2 videos that I had uploaded or tried to upload somewhere or another. I don't know. If y'all know anything, let me know what I'm doing wrong. So I've been trying to upload 2 videos at a time and get them down, you know, and something's going on that. This is going to be too short. Yeah. So maybe this. Yeah, I got this mess on this table for like, I don't know. I bought these Crafters Ink pads from Amazon, if y'all want to know. It's for fabric, wood, or paper. It's not really expensive ink pads. I just bought them just to practice up on my stamping and stuff like that, you know, before I get into buying the expensive. I've already started getting the Ranger ink sets with the whole set, you know what I'm saying? The re-inker, the pad, the spray, the alcohol, the embossing. It's a whole kit. Y'all should know what I'm talking about. I got the speckled egg coming. That's kind of pinking out. Unless I trim this a little bit and go ahead and work it out and trim this orange one. Because I'm trying to get them all in all these. If I do 3, I can get them, get rid of them. Y'all know what I mean? I grabbed the wrong one, didn't I? If I put 2 colors. Then I'm going to have to I'm not very good at straight cut, y'all. And this one I'm using like a rust, you know. It's like a rust ink. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and sew this one. And I'm using brown thread on this one because I'm going to use a, what do you call it, the paper clip? Oh, come on, man. I have to rethread this? Really? What happened there? I gotta turn on my other light so I can see the needle. And this thing doesn't work for me, y'all. I'm gonna stop this video because I'm not gonna let y'all sit there and wait while I thread this. Okay, I sewed it onto this little paper clip here, and I have this tiny little bead that I am gonna put on this little back. I can open it up. There. And I think that just turned out cute. That the tiny little bead just gives it more character. I think so. And let's find I'm going to put this on a little foam. I don't have my glue gun on, and I don't like using the glue gun on these tiny ones because that gets everywhere, and I want it clean. Give me a little sentiment. Uh-oh. This glue is exploding on me. I'm going to put a little gold stickle on this one in the center. Find me word. It's small enough. prop this up. And get it turned right. There. I don't want to touch the stickle. It's like, oh, what fell? So, tell me what y'all think about these little paper clips. Leave the link. Leave a link. Leave a comment down below in the comments and tell me what you think about these cute little things. Huh? Sometimes I feel like it needs like a little bow or something, but you don't want too much because these are going to go in my journals, and like I said, I'm going to get some ready for some happy mail, for scrapbooking and stuff like that. Okay, this is Gina with my share for today, and don't forget to hit the like, and I have seen some new subscribers. Welcome to my channel, and if you're new today and you like my channel, give it a thumbs up, and I keep shaking